Well, this is my little homemade press for the Westlake revolvers. It's got a 3/4 inch thick solid aluminium base. It's got a compound linkage press, so as you get down to where the maximum pressure is going to be pushing in your bullet, you've got maximum leverage. You've got adjustable height here, and it comes apart pack in your range bag. Well, we can adjust the length to suit the cylinder. So we put this on here, and this wants to be just so it's just coming over there, and there's a small spigot on the end of the brass bit that seats the bullet down just subsurface of the top of the cylinder. And you know if it's not lined up, nope, that won't go down. Okay, so now I've 3D printed these. I've got a cap that goes on here, so I can pre-charge them and take them to the range. The top's held on with a magnet. So we've got our charges here. This weighs out 3 grains. We've got our bullets here. They're Lee, cast with a Lee mould, 158 grain, round nose flat top. Size with a Lee sizer to 356. And then tumbled around in A-locks. They're pure lead, soft. There we are, 6 ready loaded, subsurface, ready to go. Okay, so this is how it shoots. This is obviously 6 shots at 20 yards, shot from a sandbag with open sights. Now unfortunately my old 70-year-old plus eyes are well past their best, so with optic sights you could possibly do better, but that's an inch group there, and I don't think you can complain of that for a muzzle loading revolver. So I'm pleased with that, and if you could do that freehand they'd all be 10s, if only.